over how to draw Knuckles from Sonic the Hedgehog 2. There's a few different drawings on the channel of Knuckles, but this one, check it out. It's going to be a little bit more of a side pose. I think easier than the other ones. So if you had issues with the other ones, this one's completely easy. For beginners, step by step, okay? Stay all the way to the very end because the lesson's really short. If you stay all the way to the very end, you'll have this in your memory bank, okay? Let's jump right into the video. Alright, let's get in here, start drawing him. I'm gonna start over here for the kind of the angry part of the eye. This is like the movie version. Down over here, just a bit. I'm gonna pull up. And then curve down. I'm gonna find the top of the nose right there. And I'm gonna pull a line out, down over here, up, curve for the far side eye, down. So there's like glasses right there. Curve over here. Let's go over here, the nose, and it's gonna go up, down, curve, and I'm gonna fill in most of that right there. Leave a little bit for the highlight. Curve around here. Out, down. Gonna go over here on this side, but I'm gonna pull one of his dreads down over here from the side, and it's gonna go zigzag, zigzag, zigzag down. I'm gonna curve under here. Curve over here. And now I'm gonna go over here on this side. Line for the mouth. Curve, like a little bit of a curve right there. Almost like he's gonna smile, but not quite. Curve around the side. And then I'm gonna draw a line like that. It's kind of like an upside down smile. Line over here. Line over here. You know, fill in that gap. And then I'm going to draw line, 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 line. It's kind of like a horrified smile. Like, ugh. Like, what? Gonna go over here, find the, like a U shape right there for one of his eyes. Over here, same thing for the other eye. Line out. In. Over the center right here. Zigzag is angry. I'm zigzagging because it's going to be, you know, like hair, right? Zigzag over here. Zigzag over here. Pulling up for the forehead, so I'm going to pull up back into the forehead. As I'm doing that, I'm still throwing some notches here. Over here on this side. Zigzag over here. Over here on this side. Down. Out. For that other dread. A little bit of zigzagging, right, as I'm going down here. Curve over here. Over here on this side, out, line over here. You know, we're gonna go over here. We're gonna go into the hand. So I'm gonna draw a line here for the arm. I mean. And I'm going to pull a line back. It's going to be zigzagging back. And then it's going to go up here, zigzagging up. Alright. right there. I'm kind of right here now, his a little bit of his lat over here. And right here his back is gonna curve down. And then his stomach is over here on this side. Line over here where his leg is starting over here. But let's go into his glove, okay? Line over here. Curve. Up. Out of the hair. Down like a thumb. Curve. Out. Down. Curve. Line out. Curve. Line over here. Over here. Curve over here. Line over here. The chest area. It's gonna pull down over here. I'm gonna move that right there. I want his chest to kind of roll into this area. And actually, I think that might not be his chest. His chest could be over here. Yeah, here. And line over here for the other dread back there, you know? So he's got this kind of like really nut job look right now. He's got this pretty crazy look, and you can have his tail over here on this side. Alright. Circle here, dot right there, circle, dot. He's pretty angry. Looks pretty psychotic. I forget what part of the movie this is. And let me see. I'm gonna draw like a line here because the glove's like a different, you know, like texture to him. The glove has like a totally different texture to him than everything else. Reflects light differently. Everything. Over here. You can draw another dread out there, but I'm not gonna do that. I think I was gonna do that, but I'm like, eh. Oh, yeah. That's completely fine, as is. Right down. Alright, there you go. You have him right there kind of hunching over, and he's got his glove over there, and he's really, really mad. Just kind of leaning in and kind of going like, what? What is this? But yeah, that is Knuckles from the Sonic 2 movie. Don't forget to share the video, like share it anywhere. It does a huge thing for the channel, and hit that like, alright? Alrighty. Alright, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here, on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and it I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now, another short video.